Healthcare workers and the people who live in congregate care settings, who are the most vulnerable, that these are the two first groups that should get the vaccine.
The first vaccines in Ohio nursing homes could be administered by Friday. So once that happens, when will loved ones finally be able to visit in person again? WCPO 9 News reporter Kristen Swilley spoke to the leader of an organization representing more than 1,000 assisted living communities across the state about what comes next.
Pharmacies, including Walgreens and CVS, are preparing to vaccinate some of the state's most vulnerable people by the end of this week. And while that is a major milestone, experts we spoke to say it could still be months before it's safe to let visitors back inside nursing homes.
We're very grateful, very excited.
After months of loss at senior living facilities across Ohio comes good news from the governor this week.
We know over half the people who've died have come out of nursing homes.
It was not entirely clear or a slam dunk that long-term care was going to be included in that first phase 1A.
That means 88,000 of the initial 98,000 vaccines available will go toward workers and residents. But as with the rest of the population, people have to be willing and able to get them before anything changes.
My members have been reporting that a lot, that, hey, I got a large number who are hesitant at best.
Pete Van Runkel, executive director of the Ohio Healthcare Association, hopes opinions will shift over time.
We're working through those things and trying to get to the place where we get as many people vaccinated as we can.
We got hundreds and hundreds of nursing homes, so it's going to take a while.
The pharmacies, which have the capability to store the vaccine at the required temperature, will administer the shots on site and will be in charge of making sure everyone gets the second dose too.
We may get to the point where the numbers are looking good enough that we can start opening up visitation.
And he knows that may not be the case until summer, but urges loved ones to hold on to hope.
At least this way we have some sense that there is an end to this.
Van Runkel says there will be an observation period for every nursing home worker and resident who receives the vaccine to make sure they don't have any serious side effects. Kristen Swilley, WCPO 9 News.